We're on our national adventure. Andrew, Alison, Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. Today we are in Six Flags over Georgia. Join us as we try some death-defying roller coasters and experience a whole lot of fun.
How was that?
Okay, it's officially happening. We're in the car and we're headed over to Six Flags of Georgia.
Rollercoaster! We're here. Wow, look at that one! And that one! That one! Like that one, too!
Welcome to Six Flags over Georgia. This is Atlanta's thrilling theme park. It's got exciting rides, shows, and attractions. And this is our very first time here. For the most part, this will be a vlog. However, we will be taking you one-on-one eye view on the Daredevil Dive, Georgia Scorcher, and then the log Jamboree at the very end, just to get wet and have fun. Just made it to Six Flags over Georgia. First time here, so we're gonna download the app and see what there is to see. The masks are off and apparently things are a little bit back to normal.
Shut!
We're not going in there, kids.
Yeah, that's not happening right now. Let's download this app and figure out what we're doing.
I think that I'm going to look for the Daredevil Dive. That's a 90-degree drop, vertical drop that actually goes more than 90 degrees even. So we're going to go find that. So guys, we just found the map. We're not used to this park. We haven't been in a theme park in a while because of COVID. So we're wandering around. Half of us are afraid of coasters, half are not, but everybody's gonna try one too.
Everybody's going on one?
Yes, darling. Everybody is gonna go on a roller coaster. On the Georgia Scorcher, Andrew seems pretty keen on doing it, so we're gonna see who can all fit on with it. A couple of littles are too little, so it may just be him and Kiara. Kiara's tall enough.
Yeah, Kiara's tall enough. So you gonna go with me? Oh, nah. I'm sorry.
You gonna go? Carolina, can you do it?
No, not quite yet.
So it's pretty sad because Carolina would love to do this, but Kiara's tall enough and she doesn't want to.
So Alison, do you want to do this or do you want me to do it? Do you want to rock, paper, scissors for it?
Yes! Rock, paper, scissors thing. Let's go!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Tie!
Alright, let's go. We'll do it here.
Mom won!
Better or worse, it looks like I'm doing the Scorchers. That means Andrew's gonna be doing the next one. Getting the GoPro ready.
Are you going to go with mommy? All right, good luck.
Okay, so we just adjusted the camera. We've got it recording. We're in the front row. Kiara decided to come with me to alleviate the one person going down the first ride. And we're waiting in line for the front row.
Hoping that Kiara doesn't get right in there and chicken out. So hopefully Alison can get this one done and we'll go over to the kids area now.
Are you ready? Make sure they didn't fall off my face from that was fun.
I was just holding on really tight and closing my eyes. I was screaming inside though.
How was it?
I didn't scream and Mommy screamed the whole time.
Oh, she did? Wow.
I didn't scream the whole time. I was just closing my eyes and doing this.
Right?
I didn't scream at all.
Hey Alison, how was it?
I was screaming the whole time. She didn't scream one bit. So Kiara, do you like roller coasters now? All right, some more rides.
Yay! Yeah!
Off to a good start.
One roller coaster down. There's a lot more to go. I are sporting our new shirts. Carolina's got the Adventures on, and I've got our National Adventure. The link to them is in the description down below.
I think I might pee my pants, but this is a completely beyond vertical drop, and since I lost the last one, I'm going on this one. I'll see you at the bottom.
So they wouldn't let him film the GoPro on this ride, probably because it's going to fall out. It's such a vertical drop.
Dad's using my strategy.
What's your strategy?
Closing your eyes and holding really tight.
How was it?
That was so much fun. Oh my god, it was scary because you're beyond vertical when you're going on the first drop. So I kept my eyes open. It was fun. I wish I could have had the GoPro out, but apparently you're not allowed to have the GoPro or anything loose out on this particular ride.
I need something to drink. What? Yeah.
So not everything is open, but a good deal is.
Slushies over here are closed today, but I bet they're open by the kids area in the middle of the park. So let's go there.
It's really hard. They make you dump your water before you come in, but we're having a hard time finding anywhere to actually purchase a drink. So that's kind of a little frustrating because the Georgia heat is definitely coming up on us.
There's an ice cream shop. Star Wars thing together. Actually it's a superhero thing because I see Wonder Woman on it. Chloe's literally addicted to this.
Is that good?
Chloe has a red tongue.
Carolina, what are we doing first?
The plane ride.
To go with Kiara. Chloe has to go with Mom.
You guys excited?
Yes.
What are you most excited about? This is Chloe's first ride. Are you excited? Yes, I think she's a little scared.
She'll be fine.
You have fun? Yeah? We're gonna be going super fast on this one. I don't know, are we ready? Whoa! You're flying! I'm gonna be sick on this one. It's so round and round.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed the ride on Wonder Woman Flight School.
Is that fun?
Hey guys, how was it?
I'm gonna be sick. That's too much for me.
Hey, Chloe, how was it? Did you like it?
Yeah.
It was so much fun? We're about to get on our first water ride. We sit around these things and we're gonna shoot cannons out at other people or maybe at each other. I don't know yet. So, but we are prepared to get wet. We're gonna hold these and we're gonna spin them and shoot them. Okay? You gonna spin it and shoot it? Carolina's got it down. No, Kiara's got it down for sure.
I'm gonna go get something to eat over at Johnny Rockets, I think. Everybody's getting super hungry.
I want cheese.
Yeah, you getting hot?
I want cheese.
It's getting hot. Water ride. Ready to get wet?
Not in the face.
You can just cover your eyes.
I haven't backed out once today.
No, you have not. You've been great. It's gonna be fun.
You excited?
No. I'm excited that way.
Are you excited? Here we go. We had so much fun here, didn't we?
I did that!
Can you believe you did that red one, the loopy-loops?
I didn't even see that. I closed my eyes so I didn't actually see anything. But I just realized I did a loop-de-loop.